Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be highlighting 5 new AI-powered Chrome extensions that can help make your online experience easier and more efficient. Say goodbye to the everyday headaches of browsing the web and say hello to these innovative tools that harness the power of AI. 1. Emotify. This extension uses AI to read the tone of your online messages and offers recommendations on how to make your messages more effective and empathetic. Whether you're emailing a client or messaging a friend, Emotify can help perfect your communication skills. 2. Morpheo. If you're running a small business, Morpheo can help you optimize your digital marketing efforts. This extension uses AI-powered data analysis to suggest improvements for your social media, SEO, and PPC campaigns. Sit back and watch your business grow with the help of Morpheo. 3. Cognitive SEO. This extension can analyze your online content and offer suggestions for how to improve your SEO ranking. It can also identify any technical issues that could be impacting your site's performance, making optimization easier than ever before. 4. Cocoon. Have you ever lost track of a website you visited weeks ago? Cocoon saves all of your browsing history and allows you to easily retrieve any website at any time. Plus, it also utilizes AI to protect your online security and block any malicious websites. 5. Active Inbox. Tired of sifting through a cluttered inbox? Active Inbox integrates AI into your Gmail, making it easier to manage your emails and tasks. Say goodbye to forgetful follow-ups and missed deadlines with this extension. There you have it, 5 new AI-powered Chrome extensions to help make your online experience easier and more efficient. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite and if you know any others that we should check out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech content.